Okay, answer my call. Matt.
Hey, Mark, how you going, mate?
Hey, Matt.
Right outside of Goldrausch. How you going, mate?
It's Marcneto.
Hey, Marcneto, what are you doing?
Greetings from Germany.
Greetings back to you.
Hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm good, mate.
Oh, fuck.
Not as bad as you're going to be shortly by the look of that.
Oh, fuck.
Jeez, where'd you get the license for that thing?
What the hell?
You alright or what?
The sled isn't good.
Yeah, the sled's not good.
What the hell?
Crazy stuff. The mad German, eh? Playing in the snow.
Anyway, I've got a question. Maybe you can lend me your Hanomag K8 so that I can prepare the slot here a little bit. What the? Wah! Would be awesome. Wah! Ah! Oh fuck! What the? Oh no.
Jeez, lend you me Hanomag. I wouldn't even lend you me lawnmower after seeing that. Fuck, you need some more lessons.
And as a big thank you, I can send you one of these Marcneto
That looks like fun, mate.
winter hat.
Crazy man.
Okay. I think you can use this hat very well right now in Australia, isn't it?
Jeez, mate, I think you might need more than the Hanomag. You might need a doctor by the looking of that.
Yeah.
You can borrow my doze anytime, Mark. And yeah, send me one of your hats. Winter's coming here soon. We get 7 degrees here, so I'll be needing one.
Yeah? Oh, thanks so much. That's so great. Maybe per airmail or whatever. That's fantastic, really great. I wish you a handful of gold this week. Find some big nuggets for me.
Good luck with the snow.
Yeah, we can see us again. Oh fuck. Thanks for that. Bye bye. Greetings. Bye bye. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, holy moly. Really. Thanks so much. Best greetings. Bye bye.
Greetings back to you.
Whew.